Keep projects on track and profitable with resource planning built for project-based businesses. Progressus extends Business Central with smarter scheduling, real-time availability insights, and timeline management, so you can assign the right people to the right projects at the right time. When a project manager accesses the Gantt chart and selects a project, they can view all associated tasks, their dependencies, and the start and end dates. This serves as the foundation for planning resources to meet project requirements. To change the duration or start-end dates of a task, simply click the green bar for that task and adjust the duration. Since the database task relies on the completion of the interface task, its schedule will need to be pushed back by a week. The start or end date of a task can be adjusted by selecting the start-end date fields and updating the date through the calendar view. After setting the task dates and durations, the project manager can shift their attention to assessing resource availability to ensure timely task completion. After gaining a thorough understanding of the project's task requirements, a project manager can utilize the resource board to assess resource utilization and develop work assignments that align with the project's resource needs. Click on Resource Board. The resource board displays work assignments and resource capacity in a calendar format for all resources within the organization. The green bars indicate the tasks and hours needed on a particular day to fulfill the task's work requirements. The project manager reviews the schedule for Monday, March 3rd, and sees there is a task for 7 hours in the consultant resource group that needs to be assigned. For Tuesday, March 4th, she assigns a 5-hour task to consultant resource Eric Smarth. She then assigns another 5-hour task to Eric Smarth for that day. The manager can see the background color for Eric changed for Tuesday, March 4th, and Eric's capacity shows -2 hours, to indicate he is over capacity. The manager sees that this additional assignment would put Eric over his 8-hour daily capacity and decides to reassign that 5-hour task to another consultant, Sarah Berry. After reassigning the work assignment, the project manager can then send it to the resource's Outlook calendar. The project manager learns that Eric Smarth will be out indefinitely. All of his existing work assignments could be manually reassigned. To make this easier, the Reassign Work Assignments feature can be used. The Reassign Work feature allows the reassignment of work to another resource. Once work assignments are assigned to resources, a notification of the work assignment can be sent to their Outlook calendar. Interested in learning more about Progressus for Business Central? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.